Masking policies protect sensitive data, but sometimes users legitimately need to see specific columns. Without automation, that means manual policy edits, tickets, or risky workarounds. Hi, my name is Steve Touw, CTO at Immuta, and I want to quickly show how to use Immuta's policy exception workflow. Users can request exceptions directly from the columns listing. Approvers see which columns are masked, review sensitivity tags, and can approve temporary access, even with multiple approvers if needed. Once approved, Immuta automatically provisions the exception as a governed, time-bound policy update. No more manual work or compliance uncertainty. Stewards can act quickly, governance teams stay confident, and every exception is consistent, auditable, and automated. Immuta powers modern data access, fast, federated, and policy-driven.